vibrate mode for a seamless experience that we all are gathered here for today. Thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Connplex Cinemas Limited, I, Bhavisha Vyas, extend a heartfelt and a warm welcome to all of you. Thank you for being with us here and gracing this momentous occasion with your presence this early morning. We are all delighted to have you here as we mark a significant milestone in the company's journey. Today, we embark on the listing of the equity shares of Connplex Cinemas Limited on the National Stock Exchange of India Limited, a momentous occasion for the company. I believe for this we must all give a round of applause to the pillars of the company. As the company, Connplex Cinemas Limited, is going to be listed on NSE, I believe it's always the nation that comes first, for which, to pay the respect, I request all of you to kindly rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Bharat Mata ki. Thank you. Please take your seats. On this historic occasion of the listing of the equity shares of Connplex Cinemas Limited, we would like to welcome the various dignitaries who have joined us today. To begin with, may I have the pleasure of welcoming Mr. Anish Patel, Managing Director of Connplex Cinemas Limited. Mr. Rahul Dhyani, Joint Managing Director of Connplex Cinemas Limited. Mr. Jigar Nayak, Senior Manager, National Stock Exchange of India Limited. Thank you, Jigarji, for gracing this occasion with your presence. We would also like to extend our hearty welcome to the book-running lead manager who played an integral part in the success of this IPO, CA Nikhil Shah, founder of Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited. Welcome, sir. With this, I request the directors of the company to welcome the guests with a bouquet of flowers and extend a floral welcome. I request Mr. Anish Patel to present a bouquet of flowers to Mr. Jigar Nayak, Senior Manager, National Stock Exchange of India Limited. Welcome, sir. I request Mr. Rahul Dhyani to present a floral welcome to CA Nikhil Shah, founder of Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited. Welcome, sir. This is such a joyous occasion where the faces are beaming with pride and the hard work has paid off. In our Indian tradition, as we all are rooted to culture, it is inherently believed that any new venture or a new beginning comes to light with the lighting of the lamp. That is, as we say it in Sanskrit, Deep Pragatya, for which I would request Mr. Anish Patel, Mr. Rahul Dhyani, Mr. Jigar Nayak, and CA Nikhil Shah to please step towards the lamp. It is believed that lighting a lamp brings prosperity, welfare, and positivity in and around us. Let's commence this auspicious occasion by lighting the ceremonious lamp. Thank you for taking forward this tradition as per our rituals and setting the tone for a new and prosperous beginning of Connplex Cinemas Limited. Milestones are an important way of looking at the past with gratitude, present with appreciation, and the future with hope. Today, as we are gathered here to celebrate the significant milestone for Connplex Cinemas Limited, I'd like to brief you with the history in short, in brief, about the company. Connplex Cinemas Limited is an entertainment company revolutionizing the cinema industry with a focus on luxury, innovation, and accessibility. Operating under the brand name Connplex and other registered brands, the company specializes in developing cinema setup, entering franchise agreements, film exhibition and distribution, and generating revenue from screening of movies, sales of food and beverages, and advertisements. By strategically expanding into underserved markets in Tier 2, 3, and 4 cities, as well as metro locations, including Tier 1 across India, Connplex Cinemas blends convenience, affordability, and premium experiences to high-quality entertainment to audiences across India. Connplex Cinemas constructs and designs cinemas featuring luxurious recliner seating, advanced sound systems, and high-definition projection technology to provide an elevated movie-going experience. Through collaborations with filmmakers and studios, it distributes films across its cinemas and digital platforms. Moreover, they also provide the event spaces for private screening, corporate events, and community gatherings to engage audiences, which maximizes revenue streams along with audience reach. This, ladies and gentlemen, I believe all of us would have caught a glimpse of it on the LED screen. Now, we shall play the video of Connplex Cinemas Limited.
The Indian media and entertainment industry is on a powerful trajectory, with the theatrical segment making a grand resurgence. As cinema culture deepens its roots beyond metros and into emerging cities, the demand for premium, immersive experiences is evolving rapidly. Amid this transformative wave, Connplex Cinemas Limited is redefining the movie-going experience. A premium entertainment brand, Connplex operates 25 cinemas with 66 screens and 5,060 seats across 7 Indian states, delivering comfort and cutting-edge technology to audiences nationwide. Founded on the principle of accessibility and elegance, Connplex specializes in express, signature, and luxuriance cinema models, tailored for both urban neighborhoods and Tier 2, 3, and 4 cities. At the helm of Connplex Cinemas is Managing Director Mr. Anish Patel, whose leadership blends innovation with a strong customer-first approach. Joint Managing Director Mr. Rahul Dhyani brings strategic insight and technological integration to the fore. Their vision is complemented by a team of independent directors who provide governance and strategic direction. Connplex's business spans movie exhibition, curated food and beverage offerings, on-screen and off-screen advertising, and customized private events. Through an asset-light, franchise-led model, the company ensures efficient capital use while enabling rapid expansion. Flexible cinema formats, automated operations, and regional content curation allow Connplex to adapt seamlessly to varied market needs. With scalable operations, growing franchise networks, and strong brand recall, Connplex has emerged as a dynamic force in the Indian cinema ecosystem. It caters to a growing audience that seeks not just a movie, but an experience. As Connplex moves forward, the focus remains on optimizing existing assets, expanding into underserved markets, maximizing non-ticket revenues, and elevating luxury entertainment for the next generation. Connplex Cinemas, the ultimate destination for luxury entertainment.
Moving ahead, it is my pleasure to welcome Mr. Anish Patel, Chairman and Managing Director of Connplex Cinemas Limited, a visionary leader who has been instrumental in driving the company's growth and success since inception. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming him to share his inspiring journey and vision.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. The blockbuster speech is with me, written. So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, respected dignitaries, investor, partners, friends, and the entire Connplex family. Today is our day. Yes. So, in my 44 years, today is a very historic day. Not just because Connplex is listing, but for everyone, I mean, this is a historic day for everyone who has been a part of this incredible journey. Standing here at the ringing ceremony, I feel deep sense of pride, gratitude, and which is very important is a very full sense of responsibility. So first, my heartfelt thanks to our investors for believing in our vision and backing us with us. To all our very dynamic and enthusiastic franchisee partner for joining hands to bring cinema and magic closer to people across India. I don't appreciate it every now and then, but to the team member today, I want to say something about you. So to our team member who has dedicatedly done the hard work and a very passionate team who has been a backbone of this company since our inception, thank you very much. I love you all. To our a special thanks to Mr. Jigar Naik from NSE, to our mentors, merchant banker, Mr. Nikhil Shah, Nevilji, Jain Saab. I mean, our experience has been amazing with you guys, and I mean, each and every day with you, we have learned so much about the capital market. Nikhil bhai, especially, special thanks to you. You've been an amazing merchant banker in our journey. To our advisors, Mr. Nikhil Thakkar and Mr. Nikhil Katrodia, Mr. Nalin Thakkar and Mr. Nikhil Katrodia, thank you very much for being all the time available whenever we needed you, whenever the company needed you actually. You know, I've seen them coming at night, 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. at the office, coming on Sunday at the office. Things are really on the verge of, urgency. Finish it off in 1 hour, and you guys have been always there with us. Guys, this is something which almost all of you know, but a great thanks to God for giving me Rahul as a friend. I mean, this is मेरा कुछ तो लेना देना था इससे पिछले जन्म का. हम तभी Rahul is such a gentleman. I mean, he's always, full of enthusiastic energy, a support. I know, but I don't want to miss this. So thank you, Rahul. You've been, you've been almost like my life partner in this journey. I heartily appreciate for guiding us. And thank you very much for my friends and family. You guys have been, standing beside me through the highs and lows of this entrepreneurship journey. Let me be very quick, right? This IPO is not just a financial milestone, it's a celebration of dream, the dream to create India's most loved neighborhood cinema chain, where every seat is the best seat, and where entertainment meets comfort and affordability. So, in spirit of this occasion, I want to say the curtains has just risen, and the best part of the journey is yet to come. Let's continue to dream big, team. Let's work hard and deliver more. Together, we will entertain India, and together we will create value for every stakeholder. To our investors on this dais today, I want to give you a promise that you are not the part of the, not only the part of the Connplex story, but I promise you that every decision we take will be with a long-term vision of building profitability, scalability, and shareholders' value. We will, from the founder's desk, we will we will stand tall to our commitments and promises, and we'll definitely make a lot of value for you. Guys, thank you very much. Let's make Connplex a blockbuster story on the screen and on the stock market also. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Anishji. Just as tall as your height. And as you said that Rahulji has been your constant support and confidant, I believe he is a true friend in reminding you regarding the time as well. I would now like to invite Mr. Jigar Nayak, Senior Manager of NSE India Limited, to share a few words on this special occasion. Jigarji.
Shri Anish Patel, MD, Connplex Cinemas Limited. Shri Rahul Dhyani, Joint MD, Connplex Cinemas Limited. Shri Nikhil Shah, Director from Beeline Capital Advisors Limited. Board members, employees, and family members, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you for the listing ceremony of Connplex Cinemas Limited. The company is engaged in the business of development of theaters, entering into the franchise agreements, specializing for exhibition and distribution of films, sharing revenue of screening of movies, sale of food and beverages, and sharing of revenue from sale of food and beverages and advertisements at various franchise cinemas, and other related business under the brand name Connplex, and other brand registered under the name of the company. NSE is proud to welcome Connplex Cinemas Limited to our family of listed corporates. And this will be the 658 company to get listed on NSE eMerge platform. The total market cap of NSE eMerge listed corporates has crossed 2.1 lakh crores till now. And the total fund raised by all the companies on eMerge platform till date is around rupees 19,296 crores. And from today onwards, Connplex Cinemas Limited will be an integral part of it. About capital market, India is fourth largest capital market after US, China and Japan. India's market cap has grown about 120 times in rupee terms since NSE started its operation in 1994, which stands today at about rupees US dollar 5.04 trillion dollar. Today, NSE has over 11.62 crores unique registered investors, having over 23 crore accounts, reaching 99.9% of all PIN codes of India. That covers 20% of households that directly invest in Indian stock market. It is a testament of India's entrepreneurial spirit and trust of its people on its entrepreneurs. The IPO of Connplex Cinemas Limited with an issue size of rupees 90.27 crores has garnered a very good response. I congratulate the entire team of Connplex Cinemas Limited, the merchant bankers, Beeline Capital Advisors Limited, and the other parties associated in the IPO for their accomplishment. Today's successful listing is a testimony of their efforts. At NSE, we are committed to assist fundraising opportunities for upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories and make capital markets more accessible. We hope that today's listing of Connplex Cinemas Limited will inspire many more companies to look at the public markets as a promising alternative. Today, one more company is getting listed on NSE Merge platform, that is Savalia Food Products from Dar, MP. We once again welcome Connplex Cinemas Limited to NSE. We hope that this listing day is the start of a strong partnership between us, and we look forward to supporting you in your future fundraising endeavors as well. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, Jigarji, for giving us insights into the Indian financial markets and giving your good wishes to Connplex Cinemas Limited. May I now have the pleasure of inviting, in order to continue with the proceedings, Mr. Rahul Dhyani, Joint Managing Director of Connplex Cinemas Limited, to share a few words on this occasion, please.
Hello and good morning, everyone. From this desk, I, Rahul Dhyani, founder and Joint Managing Director of Connplex Cinemas Limited, extend my warmest welcome to all of you on this historic occasion, the listing ceremony of Connplex Cinemas Limited. All right. Today is not just a milestone, it's a celebration of a vision, belief, relentless hard work, and I want to take this moment to thank each and every person present here, because यहाँ वही लोग बैठे हैं जो इस जर्नी का हिस्सा रह चुके हैं. Thank you guys. I guess numbers has been shared by Mr. Jigar and vision has been shared by Anish. So I would like to thank the people who has been into this journey. First of all, my heartfelt gratitude to our merchant banker, Beeline Capital, especially CA Nikhil Shah, CS Neville Saujani, and CA Yogesh Jain from Beeline Capital Advisors. Yashika and Arpit from Jaipur for guiding us through every stage of this IPO journey with precision and commitment. A big thank you to our auditors, Mr. Nalin Bhai Thakkar and Nikhil Bhai from Nalin K. Thakkar and Company for being our meticulous advisors, and ensuring every detail was perfect. To our investors, Malabhai Shah, Salinbhai Sheth, Farooqbhai Patel, Mr. Bhaskar from USA, and Mr. Dhirenbhai Shah, your trust is the foundation of this achievement. To our anchor investors, Sansi Funds, Vikasa India EIF Fund, Arth AIF Fund, Fortune Hands Growth Fund, Vinay Growth Fund, Innovative Vision Fund, Nexus Equity Growth Fund, Shine Star Build Cap Private Limited, Saint Capital Fund, and Magnifica Global Opportunities. Thank you for believing in our vision and becoming a part of our growth journey. And of course, to our retail and HNI investors who subscribe to our IPO, you are now the part of Connplex family forever. But let me say this, Connplex is not just a cinema chain, it's a movement, a revolution to bring smart cinema to India at an fastest pace. To my franchisee partners across the country, you were the first to understand this vision and you gave it life in your cities. To my entire team at Connplex Cinemas, you are not just employees, you are the force. You adopted this dream as your own, and together we will build the future. And of course, my counterpart, my brother in this journey, Anish Patel, possibly this journey wouldn't have been possible without you. And maybe without you, I wouldn't have felt this momentum. भाई मुझे लग रहा है कि ये ऑस्कर या आईफा से कम नहीं है हमारे लिए. Our directors, independent directors, Ms. Amisha Shah, Mr. Parshva Shah, Mr. Ronak Mehta, and finally to all the die-hard Connplexians, entire team of Connplex, Poojan, Vishal, Rakshanda, Jinisha, Kunal, Gaurav, Amit, Prinkesh, Harshal, everybody, Ashok, Rajesh, and so many more. Listing is not, but my gratitude is endless. Today we are not just listed on the stock exchange, we are listed in the heart of millions, and this is just the beginning. Before leaving the dais, I would like to thank my family, Ashna, Poonam, Kamlesh Bhai, Tulsi Bhai, Patel, Dada, Induba, Arman Dhyani, Twisha, Aryana, and late Shri Dinakshibin Dhyani. Thank you guys.
Thank you, Rahul ji. I think just as his last name suggests, Dhyani, ध्यान में रख के उन्होंने सभी का आभार व्यक्त किया है. So that also shows the mindfulness of a leader. Thank you. We are now progressing towards that historic, momentous, joyous moment of which we all have been awaiting, and that is the bell ringing. We're going to have a countdown very soon, but before that, may I kindly invite Mr. Anish Patel, Managing Director of Connplex Cinemas Limited, Mr. Rahul Dhyani, Joint Managing Director of Connplex Cinemas Limited, Mr. Jigar Nayak, Senior Manager, National Stock Exchange of India Limited, C.A. Nikhil Shah, Founder of Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited, alongside the family members. I request the family members to also join them here for the bell ringing as we strike 10 a.m. on 14th August 2025. The countdown has begun. Will you all count with me as we move from 10 to 1? Everybody, the audience? It's 20 already. The enthusiasm, the energy. Everybody on the count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Has embarked on the listing of the equity shares of the same on the National Stock Exchange of India Limited. Indeed, a momentous occasion for the company. The IPO of Connplex Cinemas Limited has opened on National Stock Exchange of India Limited at 10% upside growth. That is at rupees 198. This certainly is not just a corporate milestone, but a celebration of vision, perseverance, and the magic of cinema meeting the pulse of the financial markets. Hearty congratulations to the entire family of Connplex Cinemas Limited for such a historic moment that has been etched in the history of the company forever and years to come. और वैसे भी कहते हैं ना कि हर पल एक कहानी होती है और कुछ पल इतिहास बन जाते हैं. आज का दिन उन्हीं में से एक है. Congratulations to Connplex Cinemas Limited, that is now officially listed on the National Stock Exchange Emerge. It marks a milestone in the corporate journey of Connplex Cinemas Limited. The face is teeming with pride and happiness is indeed a testimony to their hard work, perseverance, vision, and as I said, the magic of cinema meeting the pulse of the financial markets. I request everybody to kindly take their seats now. Thank you so much. With this, may I kindly invite the book running lead manager who has played an integral part in the success of this IPO, CA Nikhil Shah, founder of Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited, to share a few words on this occasion, especially when the company has now been listed on the National Stock Exchange of India Limited.
Real life to real life. What a blockbuster moment for all of us. Congratulations to the management of Connplex Cinemas Limited, Mr. Anish Patel and Mr. Rahul Dhyani and the entire Connplex team for this momentous occasion. Welcome to the capital market. Finally, the dream comes true. બધા ગુજરાતી જ છે અહીંયા તો હું ગુજરાતીમાં જ વાત કરીશ. ઇન ધીસ OTT એન્ડ હોમ થિયેટર એરા જ્યારે અમે પહેલી વખત અનીશભાઈને અને રાહુલભાઈને મળ્યા ત્યારે બહુ એક્સાઇટમેન્ટ નહોતું આ IPO કરવાનું કે થિયેટરમાં કોણ જતું હશે, થિયેટરનું ફ્યુચર શું છે બહુ અમને ખબર નથી પડતી એઝ અ મર્ચન્ટ બેન્કર, કારણ કે અમે ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીમાં હતા નહીં. એ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીમાં અગાઉ કોઈ IPO અમે કરેલો નહોતો. પણ અનીશભાઈ અને રાહુલભાઈની સાથે જે ફર્સ્ટ મિટિંગ થઈ 2 કલાકની એમાં એમનું બિઝનેસ મોડલ અને વિઝન જોઈને અમે ફેસિનેટેડ થઈ ગયા એકદમ. આ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી કેપિટલ હેવી ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી છે, કેપેક્સ હેવી ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી છે અને એમણે જે બિઝનેસ મોડલ બનાવ્યું છે એસેટ લાઇટ મોડલ, ઇટ ઇઝ રિયલી અમેઝિંગ અને એકદમ ઇનોવેટિવ આઈડિયાઝ. મને અનીશભાઈએ કીધું કે અમારી લાઉન્જર સીટ છે ને જે સૌથી આગળ હોય છે એ સૌથી વહેલી વેચાઈ જાય છે. નોર્મલી થિયેટરમાં સૌથી આગળની સીટ સૌથી છેલ્લે વેચાય. મેં કીધું આઈડિયા તમને લાઉન્જર સીટનો આવ્યો ક્યાંથી? તો કે હું બીચ ઉપર ફરતો હતો ને ત્યાંથી મને આઈડિયા આવ્યો. પછી ઓવર ધ ડિસ્કશન મેં પૂછ્યું કે થિયેટરમાં હંમેશા જઈએ તો પોપકોર્ન ખાવાની ઈચ્છા અમને કેમ થતી હોય એમ. તો કે પોપકોર્ન જ્યાં બર્સ્ટ થાય છે ને એનું એક વેન્ટ અમે થિયેટરની અંદર રાખીએ છીએ, એટલે સ્મેલ આવે ને બધાને ક્રેવિંગ થાય એમ. દરેક થિયેટરમાં એઆઈ બેઝ કેમેરા, જે ઓલ્ડ કલ્ચરમાં આપણે ક્યારેય જોયા નથી, વિચ ગિવ્સ ધ રિપોર્ટ કે એક્ઝેક્ટ કેટલા લોકો બેઠા છે ને એક્ઝેક્ટ કેટલી ટિકિટ વેચાઈ છે. સો આઈ વુડ રાધર put this company as a cinetech company and not just the cinema company, and that's the new way of doing the business. Numbers भी बहुत amazing था. Numbers in terms of the people who are visiting theaters has also doubled after COVID. Numbers જોયા પછી અમને એવું લાગ્યું કે આ 100% ઉપર ROC ને CAGR કરતી કંપની છે, then we have to take this company to the exchanges. The IPO of Connplex also went well. It is oversubscribed by 35.67 times and generated more than 2,100 crore rupees against the issue size of 90 crore rupees. So that's the remarkable mark in this tepid market as well. And today the stock also listed at 195 against the issue price of 177. We at Beeline, we do the entire due diligence process, coordinate with all the intermediaries who are working with us in the IPO, get various approvals, meet the right set of investors, road shows, and take the company to the public. We are amongst the top merchant bankers of India. I thank all team members of Connplex, especially the management and the team of Nalin Bhai and Nikhil Bhai. I also thank my team, Team Beeline, Yashika, Arpit, and Kruti, Anal, and all our Ahmedabad team also. I thank NSC for providing us such a wonderful platform for wealth creation. And thank you Anish Bhai and Rahul Bhai for trusting us and giving us the opportunity to work with you. Once again, congratulations to everyone for this listing. Thank you.
Thank you, Nikhil ji. To commemorate the significance of this event, we will now have an exchange of mementos. Firstly, Mr. Jigar Nayak, Senior Manager of National Stock Exchange India Limited, will present a certificate and memento to the management of Connplex Cinemas Limited. To receive the same, may I please invite on stage Mr. Anish Patel, Managing Director, and Mr. Rahul Dhyani, Joint Managing Director, to kindly step up, please. Congratulations. And now may I kindly call upon the book running lead manager, CA Nikhil Shah, CS Neville Sabjani, and CA Yogesh Jain from Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited. Congratulations. Furthering the proceedings, we now move towards the presentation of mementos by Connplex Management to the National Stock Exchange India partners. To present the mementos, I would again like to invite on stage the management, Mr. Anish Patel. I would request Anish ji to present a memento to Mr. Jigar Nayak, Senior Manager of National Stock Exchange, India Limited. I request Mr. Rahul Dhyani to kindly step up and present the memento to CA Nikhil Shah, founder of Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited. Inviting once again Mr. Anish Patel to present a memento to CS Neville Sabjani from Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited. Requesting Anish ji to present it to CA Yogesh Jain from Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited. I request Rahul ji to kindly step up and present the memento to CA Nalin Thakkar, please. Once again, may I request Mr. Anish Patel to present the memento to CA Nikhil Katrodia. And may I now request Anish ji to kindly stay back and Rahul ji to join him to present the memento to the entire team of Beeline. Rahul ji, I request you to kindly join Anish ji to present memento to the entire team of Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited, please. Thank you, sir. To commemorate this milestone, we definitely do exchange not just mementos, but these are the symbols of partnership, trust, and shared belief in a vision that entertains and inspires. With this, may I now call and invite CA Nikhil Shah to present mementos to the dignitaries, please. I request CA Nikhil Shah to present a memento to Mr. Jigar Nayak, Senior Manager of National Stock Exchange India Limited. I request Nikhil ji to kindly stay back and present a memento to Mr. Anish Patel, Managing Director of Connplex Cinemas Limited. As I said, the mementos are not just trophies, but they actually are symbols of trust, partnership, and as you see the memento of it being mounted with the idol of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the true embodiment of solidarity and the spirit of an Iron Man of India. I request CA Nikhil Shah to once again step up and present a memento to Mr. Rahul Dhyani, Joint Managing Director of Connplex Cinemas Limited. Requesting CA Nikhil Shah once again to present a memento to Mr. Poojan Thakkar, Chief Financial Officer of Connplex Cinemas Limited. Thank you, sir. May I now invite CA Yogesh Jain to kindly come forward and present a memento to Ms. Jinisha Bhansali from Connplex Cinemas Limited. Requesting Yogesh ji to stay back and present a memento to Mr. Nalin Thakkar. And at the same time, may I request Yogesh ji to stay back for the last one to be presented to Mr. Nikhil Katrodia, please. Thank you, Yogesh ji. With this, we come to an end of the event that was today, that is the listing ceremony of Connplex Cinemas Limited on National Stock Exchange, India. I, Bhavasha Vyas, take this humble opportunity to thank each and every one of you who is seated here in the banquet this morning to be a part of this mega celebration that is so historic in its true sense. Thank you, and we are grateful to the National Stock Exchange, India, merchant bankers, members of the board, family and friends, well-wishers, the new shareholders, and all of the viewers who took the time to celebrate this momentous occasion with us. Thank you all once again and have a great day. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. The refreshments and the brunch is served outside. Please feel comfortable and feel at ease. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.